We'll ask 4 questions. You have to answer 2, each carrying the 15 marks. 2 into 50, 30. Totally 60 marks coverage. 3 problems and 1 theory and 10 marks each. We'll ask 4. You have to answer any 2. 2 into 10, 20 marks coverage. House has given on lease, no? The person who gives on the lease is called lessor. Who utilize that particular land is called lessee. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. So today, in this session, I am going to hand Financial Accounting 1, first semester BCom, an introduction class. It comes under NEP. First year semester BCom comes under NEP. So, what's called National Education Policy, what we are going to take. So it has been changed. So the syllabus has been changed. The pattern has been changed. I will explain what are the syllabus contained, what are the marks contained. So it moves like this. So the agenda of this, first we'll go with the syllabus. Then we go with what's the learning outcome. Then what are the units you are having, I am going to explain. Then how many internals we are going to conduct. What are the income pattern. So in agenda, we are going to say what are the syllabus contents are, what are the learning outcome will come, how many units are there, how many internals we are going to conduct, then what are the exam pattern. We'll move on. This is the syllabus of the first BCom under NEP. First is theoretical framework of accounting, basic accounts of accounting we are going to read now. What is the basic accounts? I'm just to give an introduction to this class, because this is introduction class. When you go for unit 1, I'm giving the details of accounting. Then introduction, meaning and scope of accounting, accounting principle, concepts and conventions, accounting standard. So first we are going to the meaning of accounting, what are the accounting principles are, what are the concepts and convention, then what are the accounting standard. So we have given a picture showing the syllabus, the university, the college, the school, the lesson, what are the timetables are. A framework has been done here in the picture. We'll move on. This is the unit 2, financial statement of sole proprietor, an individual person, preparation of a trial balance. First, we have got a journal. I will going to explain. First, you have got journal entry to ledger, ledger to trial balance, who have come from the first PUC Commerce, second PUC Commerce, they know each. So first we'll prepare the journal entry to ledger, it goes to trial balance. Then preparation of trading and profit and loss account and a balance sheet. This is syllabus framed. Then unit 3, consignment accounts. Here, what is the meaning of consignment? Meaning of account sale, types of commission, preparation of consignment account, consignee account, who is consignor, who is consignee, accidental loss account, goods sent on consignment account. What do you mean by normal loss and abnormal loss? We'll go very detailedly while you're solving the problem. Now we'll go unit 4, royalties account. You see the picture, how it will go here, royalty. Units, royalty account, meaning, types of royalty, meaning of lessor, meaning of lessee, what do you mean by minimum rent, what do you mean by short working, journal entries and ledger account of the journal entry. Major question, number of marks I'm going to learn. Then syllabus 5, this is new introduction, emerging trends in accounting, digital transformation of accounting, cloud computing in accounting, all theory questions, accounting for planet, outsourced accounting, all are only syllabus. I'm going to explain the syllabus when you go for a unit 5. What are the skill development you have to do here? One is collect the annual reports of the sole proprietor, identify accounting concepts and convention followed in the preparation of annual. You have to prepare your own annual reports. You have to convey them, what are the concepts and conventions are. Preparation of pro forma invoice and account sale with imaginary figure. You have to prepare your own account sale and you have to prepare your own pro forma with imaginary figure. You have to do it. Collect royalty agreements and draft dummy royalty agreement with imaginary figure. As a student of first BCom, your duty is you collect the royalty agreement and draft the dummy royalty agreement among them. Now, come back. Totally, when you want to answer 100 marks, 40 marks goes to internal, 60 marks goes to paper. In the paper, totally you have got 60 marks. Part A. We'll ask 7 questions. You have to answer 5. 2 into 5, 10 marks. Part B. We have last 4 questions. You have to answer any 2. 2 into 10, 20 marks. Part C. We'll ask 4 questions. You have to answer 2. Each carrying the 15 marks. 2 into 50, 30. Totally 60 marks coverage. How it will go? 2 marks question will last 7. You have to answer any 5. 2 into 5 is 10. Part B will ask 4 questions. You have to answer any 2. 2 into 10, 20 marks. Part C will ask 4 questions. You have to answer any 2. 2 into 15 is 30. 60 marks coverage. Then Unit 1 internal goes. Unit 1 first internal. Unit 2 first internal. 1 and 2 goes to first internal. Then second internal, Unit 3 and 4. Third internal, Unit 5. All the internals will be conducted. All the 3 internal marks maximum here, no? Final marks will be awarded. Average of 3 internal. All the 3 internal marks will be added and divided by 3. Out of 60 marks, no? If you want to pass, no? You have to score 40%, 40 marks. For 60, totally you have to score 40 marks. So out of the 40 marks, about 25 marks, 25%, 25 marks should be scored by the paper minimum. Minimum balance will goes to the internal. So when you score both the internal, this percentage, 30% we say, it will work out 35%. 35% of this, no, will be worked out according to 60 marks, no. Then the balance will be scored in the internal. So totally when you add both, no, totally should be equal to 40 marks percentage. So first paper minimum will be there and along with no internal will be added. Totally should be equal to 40%. Then we conduct the 3 internal. All the 3 internals will be added, divided by 3. Average internal will be taken. Here all the what's called chapter will be included in the question paper, but we'll have a choice. So section A will have 7 questions. You have to answer any 5, each carrying the 2 marks. Then section B, 10 marks, will have 3 problems and 1 theory, and 10 marks each. We'll ask 4. You have to answer any 2. 2 into 10, 20 marks coverage. Regarding the C, here consignment account, here no. In the section C account, you have 4 questions, each carrying the 15 marks. You have to answer any 2. 15 into 2 is 30. Totally 60 marks here. So totally you have to cover 40%. So paper minimum will be there and then along with internal will be added. So totally you have to score the 40% in order to pass the examination. But the paper will be syllabus. You come under NEP. So that's why they made 60 and 40. And 40 are internal exams. In our college, we conduct 3 internal. All the 3 internals marks will be added, divided by 3. That is your marks. Along with the paper minimum, the total should be scored 40%. Then regarding this, no, we'll go what is accounting, what are the accounting principle, concepts and convention, what is actually meaning of accountancy, why you study the accountancy, what's the necessary of studying the accountancy, what are the concepts and conventions are, what are the accounting standards are, everything you go with the detail when you go with the unit 1. Then financial, you are going to prepare trading and profit and loss account of individual person, the trial balance of the individual person, and preparation of trading and profit and loss account and a balance sheet. Then consignment account means it's a transaction between the two party when the goods have been sold by an agent who is far away from us. He will sell the article on behalf of the owner is called consignment account. Meaning of consignor, meaning of consignee, meaning of consignment account. Then what is the account sale? What's the accidental loss? What's the normal loss? What's the abnormal loss? We'll go very detailedly. Then what's the royalty agreement? House has given on lease, no? The person who gives on the lease is called lessor. Who utilize that particular land is called lessee. Lessor is the giver, no? Lessee is the utilization. What is the minimum rent to be paid by the lessee? How much short working there? Connected to journal entries and ledger account. All detail will be dealt when you are teaching the unit 4. So it is only theory question. I will explain in detail. This time they have introduced what is actually digital transformation of account, cloud computing account, accounting for planet, and outsource accounting. So all will be dealt in the when you are doing the syllabus coverage. Now you have to prepare annual reports, preparation of pro forma invoice, correct the royalty. So all things you have to do as a skill development. Then totally 60 marks. So 7 questions will be asked. You have to answer any 5, covering 2 into 5, 10. Section B, 4 questions will be asked. You have to answer into 2 into 10 is 20. Section C will ask 4 questions. You have to answer 2, 2 into 5, 60 marks coverage. This is paper. Then about 30 marks, unit 1 and 2. Then 2 and 3, 4. Here no, your coverage will be final balance will be our according to 3 internals. Totally 40 marks, 30 marks from the what's called internal plus 10 marks whatever the notes we give for that skill development. 10 marks totally, 40 marks will be coverage, especially skill development is considered. 60 marks from the paper. Totally 40% you have to score. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session with Unit 1. What the Unit 1 says, concepts and convention. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with Unit 1. Thank you.